What's a vertical pivoting bush? A vertical pivoting bush is featured in many lower control arms on modern vehicles. The concept is, when fitted to the vehicle, it actually pivots in the vertical plane, as opposed to older style bushes which pivoted in the horizontal plane. The original equipment has a low service life because a lot of fatigue on the rubber. The outcome is, in the low service life, it also affects the front control arm bushes, which affects handling, alignment and braking. The introduction of the SuperPro unique vertical pivoting bush incorporates the use of a spherical joint concept. The vertical pin revolves around a concave centre, which gives maximum flexibility, at the same time maximum control. Sealed together with some grease seals on each end, this bushing will outlast the original equipment with good handling, good ride and good wheel alignment.